Some people believe that placing a mattress directly on the floor is a viable option. However, this is often far from the truth. Elevating your mattress a few inches using a bed frame can make a significant difference, especially if the frame includes drawers or shelves for better organization. Here are 10 clever platform bed ideas with built-in storage that are not only practical, but also stylish. For more bedroom improvement ideas, subscribe to this channel and stay updated with fresh concepts. Number 10, a contemporary bedroom concept with a lot of storage. Fitting a closet or wardrobe into a tiny bedroom can be quite challenging. Sometimes it feels nearly impossible. However, creating your own storage solutions can make a significant difference. For instance, a platform bed with a large headboard featuring flanking cabinets and 2 overhead storage units can enhance both style and functionality. Additionally, there are 2 built-in niches that serve as side tables for your phone or book. Below the bed, you'll find drawers perfect for stashing blankets and flat sheets. The cabinets and drawers come with shaker doors in a crisp white finish, giving a contemporary aesthetic. For a more modern flair, consider removing the trim, paneling, and door pulls. 9. How to get bookshelves under the bed. Constructing a platform bed can be surprisingly simple. You might just need to transform 2 IKEA Expedit units into a bed frame. To build the base, gather 2 4x4 posts, 2 2x4s, a piece of plywood, T-brackets, nails, and screws. Start by assembling the 4x4 posts and 2x4 bracing with T-brackets, ensuring that the posts are slightly taller than the Expedit units. Cut the plywood to fit on top of the base, keeping it 1 inch smaller than your mattress. Once the base is ready, wrap it with black felt, securing it with a staple gun, and slide the bookcases under the plywood. Finally, place your mattress on top. Number 8. How to convert cabinets to a platform bed. Are you looking for a platform bed with storage but prefer not to build it from scratch? Try this brilliant IKEA hack. Start with an IKEA Setchian kitchen cabinet and some framing lumber. You'll need 3 of the widest cabinets positioned along the bed's edge. To create steps, cut 4 additional cabinets to various heights. Begin by assembling all the cabinets, removing the back of the largest unit to allow for easy access to the storage underneath. Carefully arrange the cabinets on the floor using furniture glides to prevent scratches. Next, screw the pieces together and secure them with a small angle iron at the corners for stability. Install the 1x4 framing boards and include a 2x4 in the center for stronger support once the framing is complete. Calculate the spacing carefully to ensure proper placement. Finally, top the platform bed with your mattress and add rugs on each step to enhance the design and inspect for additional features. 7. The modern platform bed with drawers. A sleek platform bed can result in an elegant and simple look of the modern-style bedroom, even though it does not have any sophisticated design. Still, it is stylish. You can get this platform bed at a home improvement store. However, making it yourself is not impossible. You will just need to build a base frame with a 2x4. After that, you'll have to construct the bed frame from 2x4 lumber and 3/4-inch plywood. This platform bed features a few drawers. Therefore, you need to cut the pieces on the inside of the bed shorter. It also has to have a half lap joint on its end. This feature allows you to install extra plywood panels and mount them to the inner drawer slide of the platform bed. Number 6. The DIY platform bed with extra large storage. If you have a small bedroom, this platform bed is the perfect choice. It features open-view shelves for storing your books and a spacious hidden storage area. The bed's secret lies in its lift mechanism, which Amazon offers starting at $32, available with or without gas pistons. With gas pistons on both sides, you can effortlessly raise the bed frame to access the storage space beneath. This area is ideal for stashing seasonal clothing or items you use less frequently. Once you're done, simply lower the bed back down. Number 5. The DIY platform bed idea with casters. Rearranging the furniture is one of the best ways to make over your bedroom. However, it will be challenging to reposition the bed as it tends to be bulky and heavy. Well, it will not happen if you have casters. For instance, this platform bed has two open shelves that help you store things and feature casters. These small wheels enable you to push and move the bed more easily. If the idea is new to you, choose caster wheels with a locker. Number 4, a simple platform bed with shelves. IKEA's Expedit shelving unit is highly versatile. You can use it to build a platform bed like this in the picture without breaking the bank. You just need to get 5 Expedit shelves to make the base. Arrange them thoroughly and make sure that they are not exposing any gaps. After that, build the bed box. Use corner braces on the inside to make them stay sturdy and in good shape. Top the base with the bed box. Secure it to 3 of the bookcases using the Expedit wall fasteners. This way, the bed and your mattress will not shift uncomfortably. Number 3, a modern farmhouse platform bed idea. Does your king-size bed need a bigger frame? Give it extra built-in storage. To make a platform bed like that, you can begin with building 2 underbed storage boxes. They will all look like tall bookshelves. After that, craft the headboard and footboard. Assemble them and you are ready to install the slats. Number 2, the Minimalist Platform Bed idea. This platform bed will round out your Scandinavian bedroom style since it comes in a minimalist design concept. You can paint it as you please, but if you want to preserve that natural look, stain and coat it with polyacrylic as necessary. To make it look more stylish, you can remove any drawer pulls or cut out one corner of each drawer. That way, they will stay flush with the frame harmonically. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, number 1, the platform bed for kids. To assemble the bed, position the components as outlined in the plans and screw the parts together. Using clamps to temporarily secure the pieces will make assembly easier. The bed rails serve as a face frame and are constructed from 4-quarter poplar. For assembly, use the keyhole bed hardware from Rockler. While you can attach the hardware before painting, you can also add it at this stage. Position the keyed plates and use 3/4-inch screws to secure them. More details in the description. And that concludes our ideas. So, if you're facing challenges with a small bedroom, consider one of these 10 innovative platform bed designs with storage. They will help you achieve a restful night's sleep while keeping clutter at bay, resulting in a more organized sleeping space and a healthier mental state. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.